gagawin mo ngayon? Pagdating ng Manila, ano gagawin?
Play pa.
Ha?
Play pa.
Play ng?
iPad.
Ginawa mo. Okay, so we're speaking of how currencies you can do. Occupancy na ka. Kaso 5% ka.
Naka-envelope pala yung deposit.
Maybe I would do something. Nasa, tuloy mo ka. Kapon. Pag-66 ka. Kapon ka.
Pag-bat, magkano deposit pag-bat?
3,000.
Just need to make sure na inside your room na don't forget anything and there's the people inside that's empty, huh?
Thank you.
Kapon
Ayan.
ka. Cookies.
Cookies?
Yes, sir.
Just one? Kapunta. Thank you. Have a good day. Ah. Nasa kayo? Ball? Check out na kami. Good morning. Check out na kami. Papunta na kami sa hotel. Sa hotel. Sa airport pala. Hotel. Good morning. Sawadee ka. Do you think how heavy is it? Too much shopping. Okay. Ganda mo siya, Cosmis. Fortuner.
Just a moment.
Bango talaga ng freshener nila, no?
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
Tayo the airport. Una. Dito na kami sa airport ng Thailand sa Suvarnabhumi Airport. Maga kami mag-check-in kasi baka mahaba ang pila. Ha? Anong oras? Ayun, Cebu Pacific 5J. 5J nakalagay.
Ba, wala pa yung bag ko dyan. Dito mo na. Singapore lang kita ko eh. Feeling ko sa K siya. Muna tayo sa K. Ano lang Cebu Pacific.
Sabi niya dito daw eh.
Philippine Airlines, akala niya siguro Philippine Airlines sa.
Sabi ko Cebu Pacific eh. Ayun, Cebu Pacific oh.
Saan?
Ayun, nakalimutan ko.
Saan? Wala.
Ayun oh. Bakit? Ba't kasi papalit-palit? Tagapor. So, naka-check-in na kami sa immigration. Nakalabas na kami. Dito na kami, hanapin na namin yung aming gate. At pabalik na kami ng Philippines.
Attention please. Sri Lankan Airlines flight UL403
Ano?
Colombo is now boarding at gate
Ha?
F1. Please board at gate
Anong battery ban? We are for long queuing due to renovation issues battery ban each side. For tourists. Oh, yun o, for tourists.
Marisibo ka?
Eh, ba't kasi tinapon?
Wait na, mami.
Sayang.
Alam mo.
Oo. Yun, may Prada. Chanel. Tara kami sa aming gate. Doon na kami mag-aantay ng oras. Bisa? We're heading back na? Ha?
Where?
Philippines.
Yeah.
Tok tok. There's a tok tok there. Tok tok. Tok 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 tok. Daming duty free dito sa ano, airport. Tok 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 tok. Tok tok. Tok 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 tok. Yan ah. Tok 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 tok. Dito sa airport may tindang mga prutas din eh. Can walk now? Hindi na, close na tayo oh. Lapit na. Pangcha. Hi, GT. Ano yan? Ay, iwanan natin dyan itong ano, card natin dito. Go down. Come on, dyan na. Go down. Good ka. So, boarding na kami sa Via Cebu Pacific to bound to Manila. Kaya may aeroplano kami na lang yata. Go. Thank you. Oops, sorry. Puno ba? Puno? Yes, yes.
Ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law.
Sundown and salty cheeks. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God and sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. Small talk on busy streets. Right now I don't even know if I deserve you. Sometimes I wonder what you see, 'cause I'm still acting like a child. Yeah, you always see the best in me. I always start these fights, you still love me, right? I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God and sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining.
Palanda kami na Manila. Palanda tayo ng Manila.
That's the school I did for you.
Yeah. Palanda tayo ng Manila, Philippines. We're in Philippines na. Ha? We're in the Philippines na. Ha?
We are.
Ha?
We are.
Anong gagawin mo ngayon? Pagdating ng Manila, anong gagawin?
Play pa.
Ha?
Play pa.
Play ng?
iPad.
iPhone. Pababa na kami in a bit. Ang oras ngayon dito ay 4. Kasi advance ang Philippines ng isang oras sa Thailand. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Maaga pa kami makakauwi. Makakain muna siguro kami sa...
Pantay house.
Ha?
Our house is Pantay.
Pantay?
Yeah.
Anong pantay?
Protecting our house. Someone's protecting our house.
Okay.
He's our neighbor.
Yung iyong sisiw. Yung sisiw mo. Malaki na? Malaki na yung sisiw mo?
Ang laki yung shisha.
Yung chicken mo malaki na? Eh, tingnan mo mamaya. Tanong mo sa Lula Ida.
Lalita. Ang shisha lang.
Lula Ida nag-alaga
Malaki na.
ng chicken. Ha?
Ma.
Si Lola Ida nag-alaga ng chicken. Dito. Ay, sana.
Sala.
Sino nagpalaki ng iyong chicken? Sino nagpalaki ng iyong chicken?
Ah,
Sino nagpalaki ng iyong chicken? Sino nagbantay?
Lola Ita.
Lola Ida. You say thank you to Lola Ida, ha?
And can I still pull my chicken and put it down again in the floor?
Huwag mo na pipisilin, ha?
Well, Kuya's chicken's still baby still.
Aha.
I'm scared. Wait, Daddy, I see Lola Ada's.
Can I go to landing stations?
Daddy, I see Lola Ada's house.
What?
See that house over there? That's where Lola Ada's house is. Oh my gosh. So that circle right there is where Lola Ada's house is, which is far like right there. And almost like here is Lola Madge and Lola Ada's house are just like teensy bit close.
Sexy bit?
Yeah. 2 hours.
SM Sukat.
SM.
SM Sukat.
So, Walmart's house is kind of 2 meters away, and Ada's house is just like 3 meters away. Right over here.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay. SM.
Hey! You're scaring me!
We're in Thailand.
We're not in Taiwan.
Papay, yun, may papay.
Daddy, what else do you call Philippines?
Manila.
So vanilla, you call it. So in Filipino, you call it vanilla.
Manila.
Manila. In Philippines, you call it Manila.
The local time now is 3:30 in the afternoon, and for information, there is a time difference between Manila and Bangkok. Manila is 1 hour ahead. The ground temperature is at 26 degrees Celsius.
Finally, I got it instead of.
On behalf of the entire city of the Philippines, headed by our flight and crew captain and pilot.
What kind of field trip do you want? What's it for? What field trip you're looking for?
Norte.
Oh.
Daddy, what is the land called?
So we're back and landed here in Naiya. Safe and sound. Pauwi na ulit kami ng aming province. And another day, another gala to the max na naman. Oh, nakababa na kami rito sa expressway na ulit. Traffic always in the Philippines. Ganun rin sa Thailand traffic din. Pero tayo hindi wala sa Thailand.
Haba ng traffic din yan.
Hanapin talaga exit.
May iba bang exit?
Meron, Tanawan po.
Labasan natin ay Lipa.
Pwedeng lipa. Pwedeng Balete.
Yun na lang naman yata, kakaunti na.
Ay, ang haba ng pila.
Alibare, saan magaling yun? Sa loob na yun?
Galing sa industrial yan.
Ay kaya pala labasan industrial
Oo, tsaka incoming at outgoing yan.
Ayan industrial. Sigit pa din sa shoulder oh. Ay. Dumaan muna kami rito sa parting Malbar. Kain muna kami sa Mang Inasal. Tagal na rin din nakakakain sa Mang Inasal. It's been 6 years. Nakakain muna. Unlimited price. Sabaw lang ang libre sa Mang Inasal, ano? Ano sabaw? Sinigang, ano?
Oo, ito kayo gusto ko. Sinigang.
Ano sabaw, kuya, yan? Manok?
Ano po? Tawag dito? Seafood.
Kaya pala lasa ng isla.
Pinakulo ang seafood?
Hindi po.
Ah, powder lang.
Kasi nilagyan po siya ng mga
Hindi yung sinasama yung gulay. Pag yung sinasama yung gulay. Ha? Ito lang ang libre sa Mang Inasal, sabaw. Ah, asim. Oh, grabe. Gumuguhit sa gumuguhit yung asim. Dini sa panga, kabila. Punta dimi, oh. Ah. Parang ano yung sinigang sa kalamyas, ano? Sinigang sa kalamyas. Mga kamay sa Mang Inasal. Nakakalaw.
puno na naman ang resort doon sa tabi namin. Hindi. Puno yun ito.
Ito umaya ka ito. Kalit lang.
Sabaw.
Ito daw.
Ay, mo yan ako.
na ako ng alin.
Kagulo na sa loob.
Hindi kaya na eh.
Kagulo na sa loob. Mabigat ito niya.
Ayan.
Kagulo na loob eh, no?
Matulungan na ng bawi. Sobrang busy. Solve. Ano, what's up?
Nag-iisama sa kotse.
Solve.
Wag na. Wipes, asan yung kafe galing?
Nandiyan sa'yo.
Asan yung wipes?
Sa mami yata.
Wipes.
Yung wipes.
Oo, laki mami.
So tapos na kami kumain dito sa Manginasal.
Sunod ako doon.
Ano bibili mo? Come on.
Where are we going?
Ang daban.
The band?
Yeah, at daban.
Wait, I thought it was more than that.
Ano it was morning? It's nighttime. Here.
They're stretching out on my path, and moments are quicker than last. Time goes, I'm tired, finding it harder to see the kindness you told us to be. Trying to hold, I trust and know you'll make a way. You'll make a way. You'll make a way. You'll make a way. Come, kingdom of God, true and kind. The boldness of our sacrifice, your heart shows love, standing by each other's side, and turning away from pride. We know we're letting go. You'll make a way. You'll make a way. You'll make a way. Oh, you'll make a way. Every night and day, I'll watch the way. Oh, 'cause I believe. Oh, you'll make a way. Oh, oh, I won't fear, I'll stand in you. Trust your power and see you move. You have won it. You have won it. Oh, and I won't give up. No, every night and day. I'm watching our way, hey, 'cause I believe you'll make a way, 'cause I believe you'll make a way, 'cause I believe you'll make a way.
Okay, and nakauwi na naman kami sa aming bahay dito sa Candelaria. At yun, rest day na naman. Tapos na naman ang isang araw. At bukas ay Valentine's, and magse-celebrate muna ng Valentine's Day bukas. And siguro kain ulit sa labas. Ano pa nga ba? And yun, kita-kita tayo muli sa susunod nating araw ng bakasyon dito sa Pilipinas. And the other day is after 3 days or so, papunta naman kami sa lugar ng aking wife sa Baguio City. And yun, kita-kits guys, keep safe.